So here we go with some lovely bathroom shower handles. As you can see, these things are way past their sell-by date. Part of the problem is the chrome is pretty poor quality. I think this is a B&Q shower unit, but the chrome is really poor quality, so it started to corrode and it started to get pitted, and it all just goes horrible. It's also leaking, the seals have gone. If we look a bit closer, I'll show you exactly what was going on. Alright, so close up. So there we go, that's the leaking going on. And you go down the handle and then you get all this. It's not to do with cleaning, this is just kind of the chrome coming away and the chemical reacting, the chrome and the metal. It's also started leaking, which is pretty horrible. And then underneath, I'm not sure the camera's going to show that, but this is all rotting now. Bits of rust forming and all sorts. So yeah, it's time to kind of upgrade this. You can buy the replacement shower handles, but the spacings on this, I think it was 27 centimeters, 270 mil, and you can't really buy them. You can buy different handles, replacement handles for showers, but these, they seem to be an odd size, so for us it's not an option. So what we're going to do is do something else. Now, I've already done one side of this door, so there we go. If I move back, so we put knobs on. I wasn't sure if the knobs would look a bit odd, but they seem to work quite well, and quite good as well if you've got younger children, not so tall. They prefer to use the lower one rather than the adult high one. So anyway, I'm going to show you how we go about this. It's not too bad removing these handles. These are off Amazon. I think they're $8.99 for 2 pairs. So you can, on a handle with 2 holes in each door, you obviously need 2 sets. So they're $8.99. I'll leave a link in the description. Yeah, let's set about doing this. So I think it's majorly improved the look of this shower by just doing that. But yeah, let's get going. Right, so first things first, under here, under these handles, there is an Allen key or an Allen screw. We need the Allen key to remove. So let's go about and get this removed. Right, so if we look underneath, on the inside, there's the Allen key. There, one up there, Allen screw, keep saying key. So I've got my set of keys here. From memory, I think it is the smallest one. I thought these might have been seized in place and a bit of a pig to remove, but I don't think they are. I think they're all right. Let's get it in. Yeah, there we go. A bit fiddly doing it one-handed. Oh, that's that one. He did try to file away the hole to make it bigger, and yeah, he ruined his shower enclosure. Well, he shattered the glass. So this should pull off, he says. There we go. We can look at this in a bit more detail now. What is going on with it all? So that's obviously the bottom that started to do the corrosion, and inside, yeah, they're quite manky, aren't they? They're pretty horrible as well. They're quite a sharp edge. Why would you want that? Anyway, let's put that one there. What we get left with now is these. Now these basically screw in to the outside handle. So what we need to do is we can either use some grips, or again we can use an Allen key. So let's just see if that same Allen key fits. It does. Or does it? It seems to be a bit small. No, that's too small. I'm going to round it off. Go for the next size up. Right. No, doesn't fit. Alright, now let's get the grips. Alright, let's get the grips. Put you back on the tripod. Oh, let's get him. Okay, so yeah, I need to be a bit careful I don't destroy the glass panel. Okay, so they're loosening up nicely. We can probably do them with our hands, he says. No. Okay. Right. So really this is quite a quick job to do. It's a shame that these days the quality of the chrome for bathroom fittings, be it toilet roll holders, handles on units, sink units, even the bath, they're just so poor that within a few years the chrome starts going and they look pretty hideous. I remember, or if you can remember, back in the 90s, there's one of these things out there. Back in the 90s, you used to fit taps and stuff. The chrome never used to go on them. We're in this world of consumerism and things lasting not very long. They constantly need replacing. Right, that's enough of that. Right, so this has come out. This one's out now. There we go. There's some plastic seals that have popped out. That's both the handles out. I'm going to take any bits of plastic out. So we're now left with a hole, and on this one the hole is quite big. So there we go. That is the hole. So we're going to clean this up, obviously, make that nice and clean, and let's get that one nice and clean. Alright, so to clean this up, all we're going to use is a couple of baby wipes. These things are really good for cleaning glass. So let's use one on the outside. Let's go with that. The whole shower needs a good clean, really. And most of that mark is on the inside, actually. So the ones I've bought are chrome, I think they're chrome plated stainless steel. I might be wrong, but they are, as you can see on this one here on the right, they are very good. Right, yeah, it does need a bit of a good old clean, this shower. Right, that's that done. Just give them a bit of a wipe, dry them off. And then you want to get the new ones out. So here are the new ones. So quality, like I say, the quality of these is pretty good. $8.99. I think they were reduced a bit. And very easy to fit. I'll put that one over there. There we go. So they come like this. Let's hope the chrome lasts. Right, so we're gonna now fit these. So all it is, the threaded rod in the middle isn't fixed to either of these knobs. So we're just gonna unscrew one. Okay, so we're just gonna screw that in a bit. We've got these plastic washers, Because obviously if you don't use plastic washers and you screw this against the glass, it's just going to shatter. So let's do the top, go in, make sure we've got the washer either side, and then start tightening up. I'm trying to do the one on the left. So then we just tighten it up, hand tight, and that is it. So we're kind of getting there. And then we just got to do the one at the bottom. Need to do the one at the bottom. Let's get that one out. Yeah, so what, for £18 we've, I wouldn't say transformed it, but we've not made it look a lot better. And we haven't got the hassle of not being able to get hold of a replacement handle or trying to do something with the old handles. Right. Again, plastic washer on the outside, plastic washer on the inside, like so, and then we tighten it up. And hand tight, and that's it. That's the job done. So I think for a 5-minute job, it's well worth doing. And there you go. Yep, happy with that. From this to that. Just show you the ends of these things as well. They're flipping horrible. They probably would have lasted a few more years, but I mean, that isn't good, is it? And like I say, nasty. These corner shower units, there's not much space inside at all, which, you know, you can end up hitting yourself on these handles, and now you won't. No sharp edges to the handles, nicely rounded. Jobs are good. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to rate, subscribe, and I'll see you on another video.
Up my appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby, it's just twist your body and mine. Some kind of butterfly, baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite, don't leave me here.